Hacking can be considered both an art and a science. It requires a certain level of intelligence, creativity, and patience. But what sets hackers apart from regular computer users? How do they think? In this video, we will explore the mindset of hackers and what makes them tick. This video is so short because I don't want to waste your time. Now let's start without further ado. The first is curiosity and problem solving. Hackers are naturally curious and have a strong desire to understand how things work. We are constantly seeking new challenges and ways to improve our skills. Curiosity and problem-solving mentality are what drives hackers to find vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks. We are always looking for ways to exploit weaknesses and gain unauthorized access to information. The second is persistence and perseverance. Hackers are known for our persistence and perseverance. We don't give up easily and will continue to try different methods until we succeed. This is why we are often able to break into systems that others have deemed secure. We have the patience and determination to keep trying until we find a way in. The third is thinking outside the box. Hackers are not limited by conventional thinking. We are not afraid to try new approaches and techniques, even if they seem unconventional. This ability to think outside the box is what allows us to come up with creative solutions to complex problems. We are not limited by what is considered normal and are always looking for ways to push the boundaries. In conclusion, the mindset of hackers is driven by curiosity, persistence, and a willingness to think outside the box. While these traits can be used for both good and bad, it is important to prioritize cybersecurity and ethical hacking practices to protect against potential attacks. By understanding the mindset of hackers, we can better defend against them and use our skills for the greater good. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, put in a comment. I am happy to reply to you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about hacking. See you soon.